How to create shipping zone in Shopify. To create a shipping zone in Shopify, follow the steps. Log in to your Shopify admin. Go to your Shopify dashboard and sign in. Navigate to Shipping Settings. Click on Settings and then select Shipping. Add a shipping zone. Scroll down to the shipping zone section and click on Create Shipping Zone. Define the zone. Enter a name for your shipping zone. It can be either domestic or international. Add countries or regions. Select the countries or regions that you want to include in this shipping zone. You can add multiple countries or regions to a single zone. Set shipping rates. Once you've added the countries or regions, click on Add Rate to set up shipping rates for each zone. You can set up flat rates, price-based rates, weight-based rates, or carrier-calculated rates depending on your preferences. Save your changes. After setting up the shipping rates, click on Save to save your shipping zone settings. And that's how it's done. Thank you so much for watching.